In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the best trading broker in the world right now. Hi guys, my name is Tiana, the CEO and founder of the International School of Traders, and I'm here to introduce you to the Infinox trading platform. Well, if you haven't heard about Infinox, then I'm going to introduce you today. The trading platform has been my partner over the last couple of months, and I have been working with them closely to give you guys the best experience in terms of trading. I've taken a numerous amount of trades with them, and deposits and withdrawal, and they are very easy to use, and also, they are very easy to take, and their fast withdrawals are so amazing to me. I'm going to introduce you in the next couple of minutes, and please stay with me because you're about to learn something new.
Okay, Smilani. Ngishawushiza. It's been a year ngagcina ukushutha futhi.
Okay, so guys, in this video, I'm going to explain what is Infinox as a brand, and I'm going to explain who they are, when they were established, and also I'm going to give you a key things that you need to know as a retail trader, which you need to know as a retail trader, right? And I'm also going to explain to you the process of opening an account on this video. Okay, so let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and share with you guys some of the things that you need to know about Infinox. Well, Infinox is a global multi-regulated trading platform which was established in 2009. Now, that's one of the key things that I really said, you know what, let me go ahead and let me trade with Infinox. Simply, and other reasons as well, to include on that is that I have been trading with different local and also international brokers. When I say local, I'm talking about South African, which were providing a lot of instruments and all of things, over the last couple of days, over the last couple of months for me, or the last couple of years for me. But Infinox has turned out to be the best, especially when it comes to withdrawals for me, because I'm here in South Africa. When I withdraw my money today, I want it today. And that is what they've been providing over the last couple of months, right? Cool. So the Infinox trading platform has a wide range of instruments for traders. They do include forex, equities, crypto, commodities, indices, futures, and so on and so on. They do also offer, or they do also have offices all over the world with customer support in over 15 languages. One of the best experiences that I had with Infinox is that when I wanted to contact them, when I wanted to see them, they were right available in Rosebank here in South Africa. I was able to go there and see who they are and also see their licenses, which was very important for me. Which is why on the next couple of minutes, I'm going to be telling you about the licensing part, right? Infinox as a brand is a multi-licensed broker, right, which is regulated in different countries and different places. They do have licenses licenses in the Bahamas, the Securities Commission of the Bahamas. They are also regulated in Mauritius by the Financial Services Commission. They are also regulated in South Africa by the Financial Services Conduct Authority, which is the FSCA, right? And those are the very important things that you need to know about their licensing. They are multi-regulated, they're multi-licensed, they've got multiple licenses, different licenses as well. And that is why I choose them. Okay, cool. So the key things that you need to know about, the trading platform, which is Infinox, as a retail trader or as an individual, right? First of all, when you want to open an account, it is very, very easy. They've got the seamless, fully online onboarding process, which makes it easy for you to open an account and fund it and trade in just a few clicks, right? What I've also understood with Infinox is that they are able to give you, or they're able to allow you to trade before you even upload the documents and verify and all of those things. So you are going to be able to trade immediately after you open an account. They do offer the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as these are the most popular trading softwares for retail traders, and that is why I also love them. Well, if you are a trader or if you are going to be using the trading platform, just know that you can buy and sell with a leverage up to 1:1,000, which is very, very amazing for me. I really love this. It is an amazing point. Leverage 1:1,000, meaning that you can trade with large volumes with relatively smaller amounts of money. This is amazing for, especially for people who are in different locations around the world who want to try out some few things with with the broker. You can use that small amount to try something new, and also the profits on 1:1,000 leverage is good, guys. Okay, cool. Number 3 or number 4, I'm not so sure if it's number 4, but the customer service is so amazing, guys. One of the reasons why I tuned into Infinox was that their customer service is on point, right? They are available on call, they are available on email, also through social media platforms in multiple regional languages. Now, I remember when I was opening an account, they were right here with me on call, on email, just hang up with me. Hey, were you able to do this? And if there's something that I didn't understand, I was able to call or email my account manager to say, hey, there's something that I'm not seeing here. Can you help me with this? Very quickly, he was going to send me the things that I needed, or I was able to communicate with him swiftly on the things that I wanted. So for me, they are good in terms of customer support. They are very, very, very good. Right, they do have local offices and support in most major markets across Latin America, right, Europe, very important. In the Middle East, they're also there, guys. In Africa, where I am, this is where they are. I've been into the Johannesburg office, very, very important. And then in Asia, I remember there's somebody who signed up, who is my cousin as well. He signed up from Asia, and he was like, and then I remember they said to me, hey, he's allocated to somebody in Asia is helping him, and I was happy to see that. Okay, now if you're a retail trader just like me, there's also some other things as well that you need to know about Infinox. They are available products, or which are different products, such as the IX Intel, the IX Social, the IX Premium, and the IX Lite. Now, what are these? These are products that are going to help you become a better trader, which are provided by the Infinox, and I'm going to explain each of them. I'm going to start off with the IX Social, right? IX Social is the mobile app that lets users, which is you and I, earn the same returns as expert traders. So this is where you are going to log into the app after downloading the app, right? You're going to log in and earn relatively, as somebody who's an expert. We're going to talk about trading, copy trading, trading signals provided on the app. Those are the things that I'm looking to show you guys that, hey, they are on the IX Social trading app, right? Auto copying the trades made by auto copying is some of the amazing things that are on the platform as well, that I wanted to talk to you about, from the IX Social app, right? Okay, cool. Let me talk to you about the IX Premium as well, right? The IX Premium and IX Lite provide us users with an additional features and benefits, and on top of the trading account that you are going to have. These are such as the $4 cashback or $4 cashback bonuses, premium education, etc., guys. Now, the IX Intel is another thing that I'm going to explain now, which is very, very important, which is more like our educational suite, where you can find markets and trading insights of all levels, right, for traders. This is for beginner traders, for experts as well, in terms of analysis and all those things. That is why the IX Intel is there and allowed it, right? It doesn't accommodate a lot of beginners and also expert traders. No matter where you are going to be needing, or you are going to be using the IX Intel. It is going to be shooting, right? And then there's going to be a wide range of funding and withdrawal options, including local payments in your country. Now, that's a very, very important one for me, because here in South Africa, there is a culture that has been built over the last couple of years to say that if your broker does not give you an instant withdrawal or a withdrawal on the same day, well, why are you still with that broker? Infinox has provided that for us, right? Here in South Africa, they are giving us those withdrawals. For me, I withdraw, even today, I withdraw early in the morning, and then before the end of the day, money was in my bank account. Very, very convenient and very, very good, right? There are many other benefits, which are such as the ECN and STP accounts, low spreads, negative balance protection, Islamic stop-free, trading credit, PEM and MEM accounts, for those people who love doing account management, fast trade executions, free VPS, and EA trading, right? These are the most important things that you need to know about Infinox. They do provide you all of these things that I've already mentioned to you. And now, which is going to be very, very important, is that it's for you to start trading, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drop a link on the description so that you can be able to open an account immediately after this video, right? Now, there's gonna be things that you are going to see. You can go to infinox.com, where you can open an account, or you can use the link that I'm going to provide. Now, let me go to the link that I'm going to provide, or if you are just using the link that I'm providing. Okay, cool. So first, if you are using the link, you are going to see this as your pop-up, and you are going to select the type of trading platform that you are going to use, right? You are going to use, you are going to select maybe the MT4, and then start putting your details of your name, your last name, your email, choose your country, put your mobile number, your English, your language's preference as well. For me, I prefer English. Then your date of birth, you put it in there. Then you create a password, and then you can then retype your password. After you've done that, select create account. That is very, very important. After you've done that, now what you need to go and do is to check on your emails and see that the credentials that have credentials and everything that you've created. See what type of an account, everything that you've been actually doing when you're creating an account, they've provided you on email. What you need to do now is to go on your website once again. Go to infinox.com and select a client login. As you go and select client login, you are going to use the credentials that you've been given, or the ones that you created, and then you are going to fund and start trading. So yeah, those are the most important things that you need to know about Infinox as my partner, as my broker, as the best broker in the world right now, right? So those are the most important things, and that I want you to know. And guys, for those of you who are going to be asking me how much can you start trading with, well, you can choose any amount when it comes to funding on an Infinox, small amount, big amounts. But what I really recommend is people starting at $100. That is my personal experience, or that is my personal preferences. And you can start at $100. For me, it's good. You can start $100 upwards. So for me, it can bring some good results, provided you use proper risk management and all of those things. So yeah, that's all I wanted to share on this video, and I'm going to share with you more things on videos to come about Infinox. See you on the other side of the withdrawals. Shalom.